Sagala, sagala, sagala.
Well, already it's obvious the Electoral Commission has demonstrated incompetence of the highest order, because in a number of polling stations, materials arrived very late. In my own polling station here, we are just starting the process right now. You can imagine it's now 10 plus, and we are just starting the exercise at my own polling station here, and a number of other polling stations within the parish here. Nabukolongo here, Rubiri, the mosque down there, and Mutundwe, we have gotten the same reports, Ndeva, Kaboa, and other parts of Lubaga division. The same cases have been reported in the areas of Mbuya and Chibuli. Actually, in Chibuli, for example, the DR forms were not brought within, were not packed with other election materials. They brought only one DR form for each and every polling station in a number of polling stations there. And the polling officials were suggesting that they proceed with the exercise despite that irregularity, and that at the end of the day, at the end of the polling, after filling the results, they will make photocopies for our agents. We have rejected outrightly that idea because it's not in tandem with the electoral laws, and it's susceptible to abuse. So we have now just at a stalemate there in a number of polling stations in Chibuli. The exercise is yet to begin.
Not me as a seasoned lawyer as well, in some of the polling centers, what the candidates, the ballot papers of the women councillors were not those of the candidates that were expected, for instance, in Nabukolongo. As a seasoned lawyer, what would then be the accurate next move? Do you stop the election, considering also voting had already happened?
Well, that's another manifestation of incompetence on the part of the Electoral Commission, because these materials were swapped up. We have seen cases here at my own polling station here. The ballot papers for women councillors were not for that particular polling station. After opening the ballot box, they realized they had the wrong materials, and those were meant for another polling station in Mutundwe. It is the same case again with Mutundwe, Biri, and others. Of course, that is an irregularity within the law, and we said the exercise cannot start until they bring the correct materials. I am informed that at my polling station here now they have rectified that the right materials have finally arrived. I'm here to establish that because I have not gone to the polling station. I'll verify that particular fact when I reach there. But we still get reports in the other areas. Voting is yet to commence, and this is either an omission, a glaring omission on the part of the Electoral Commission, or it's a deliberate move to frustrate the exercise, to cause public despondence, because already there is voter apathy. Already the voter turnout is very low, and once you cause those disruptions, again, you are worsening the situation, you are aggravating the situation. People are already frustrated with the voting in this country, and the voter turnout is very low. And then you cause those disruptions, those delays, you are aggravating the situation. I am tempted to think that it's a deliberate move on the part of the Electoral Commission to disorganize this exercise, to occasion a miscarriage of justice and democracy.
What's the fate of your relatives
No, I'm not responding to that.
Moruganda.
This time round, you have won the main complaint.
What is wrong with
Actually, majority of the opponents are from within the opposition. It's a demonstration that actually that Kampala is a stronghold for the opposition, and we are getting reports that actually the NRM has changed the tactics. They seem now to be adopting some of the opposition candidates to back them up in this exercise. But obviously, that is an exercise in futility. I doubt whether they can succeed in that. I'm quite confident the people of Uganda, the people of Kampala know what to do. They are going to cast their vote wisely, despite that particular maneuver. And what I want to assure you is, in regards to what you have stated here, the Kampala remains in the hands, in the grip of the opposition. And that gives me confidence that Mr. Museveni is fighting a losing battle as far as the cause for change is concerned. Exercise, materials mu polling stations ezimu zebaleese enfu si zeezo eziteekeddwa okubeera ku polling stations ezo, n'okutandikira ddala ku polling station eyange wennoolera wano mu Bulwa zone baleese material nga si za wano, era batugambye nti kati bakaleeta entuufu era okutonda kutandika butandisi. Ekyo kyeyolese mu polling stations endala nyingi. Waliwo ey'okulubiri secondary school waliwo Nalukolongo, waliwo ey'omulule zone wano, waliwo endala nyingi mu bitundu eby'Omutundwe, Ndeeba, Kabowa ne mu areas ez'Embuya Nakawa. Wamu osanga nga ebifaananyi nga obukonge bwe baleese buliko bifaananyi by'aba candidates ab'omu areas endala. Nga wano Nalukolongo baleese obukonge nga buliko bifaananyi bya candidate, ate owa mu kitundu ekirala Mutundwe nga talondera nga si wa wano tebamulonda wano. Ne wano era owange mu Bulwa embeera y'emu bweti, newalala mu bitundu ebirala. Ekibuli batubuulidde polling stations bwe baleese DR form ng'eriemu bweti, nga kisoboka kuba nti presiding officer ajja kukozesa DRFM kuba yabadde agamba exercise egende maaso yadde polling stations eriemu, yadde DR form eriemu. Ffe ne tukiwakanya kuba yagamba nti bafotokopingemu nga kulonda kuwe. Tosobola kugamba nti ba agents baffe bajja kuleeta photocopy ya DR form ezo results tezibeera authentic. N'olw'ensonga eyo ffe tukiwakanyiza, tubagamba kale okutereeza ekyo wakiri bazifotokopinge ng'okulonda tekunnatandika, batandike okulonda zijjuzibwemu mu ink, then oluvannyuma balyoke bazisayininge zifaananeko ng'origino yadde teziri origino. Ekyo nabo badde bakyagikanye nekireetawo process okubeera ng'ekyayimiridde. Ebyo bikulaga either electoral commission nti eri incompetent, teremeddwa okukola omulimu gwayo obulungi, obanga kigenderere ogezaako okwongera okutabangula ebyokulonda mu Kampala okumalamu abantu amaanyi babeere batono. Kubanga bwe twogerera kati abazze okulonda batono ddala, abantu tebajjumbidde nnyo okulonda kuno olw'ensonga nti bakoowu balonze emirundi mingi nga bye balonda bikyusibwa, bye balonda tebiraga nti omuntu mutuufu bwe balonze, ate era ne balonda ebintu bingi emirundi mingi nga balabibwa nti ebyokulonda bwe byabwe ebivaamu nga tebirina makulu, naddala ku byobwa pulezidenti nga buno obwabaddewo nga balonze ova kwemingire nga bagamba Mwami Yoweri Museveni agende, naye era ne bibeera nga teryavuddemu nnyo makulu, n'okuba nti omuntu gwe basinze okulonda mu kibuga Kampala yabadde Honorable Kyagulanyi ne bakwata ne bamusibira ewakaawe mu mbeera etali mu mateeka. Kakati abantu ebyo byonna nga bibamalamu amaanyi okubeera nga omuntu gwe balonze ate asibiddwa mu maka ge mu ngeri emenya amateeka. So tujja kugenda mu maaso ne exercise eno nga bweri, naye tugenda okwongera okubeera vigilant okulaba nti obuwanguzi bwaffe oba will of the people teri subverted.
Kayala no